Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my weekly Walmart haul. If you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get on with the haul. So the first thing I picked up is this bodysuit from Sofia. This reminds me so much of a ballerina leotard. It has really nice, thick, stretchy, fitted fabric. It has that scoop neckline. That's what it looks like up close. And then it's fitted through the sleeve, and that's what the wrist looks like. So just really nice and stretchy, fitted through the body, and then it is a bodysuit style with a thong. That's what the back looks like. And it does have snaps. So these come in a few other colors. It comes in like a beigey pink and then also a nude. In store it was $19, but I'm pretty sure they are on sale online for $10. And I did get my normal size medium. I'd say it's true to size. I have a longer torso. I feel like it fits really nicely, but if you needed more fabric, because it is that kind of like stretchy clay net, you could size up one. But I think these are going to be so cute to style with your cardigans. You can wear it under a blazer, wear it by itself with any color pants, skirts, denim. So lots of ways to wear this one. Just a really good staple piece for your closet. The next thing I picked up is a pair of the Time and True corduroy wide leg pants. So these are high-waisted. They have the belt loops, button fly, really nice pockets, and then it just comes all the way down to the super wide leg with that thicker seam. I love that. And then the back is, you could see it's a little high-waisted, and then you do have your pockets, and then it continues down with the same fabric all the way through. So that's what the material looks like up close. Really nice corduroy fabric, super good quality. These come in one other color. They come in like a burgundy merlot, really pretty too. I did get my normal size 6. I'd say they're true to size. They're $17.88. Really cute to dress up or down, throw them on with a sweatshirt and sneakers. You could put it with that black bodysuit and heels and a clutch, dress them up. The next thing I picked up is this Babydoll dress from Time and True. So the material on it is this like chiffon kind of sheer fabric, but there is a good amount of weight to it. Has the higher neckline with that little V, and then it's a little bit of a balloon sleeve with the button on the wrist and a little bit of gathering. It has a seam like in the middle and then tiers all the way down, just nice and flowy. Perfect to style with your like cardigans and boots. I think that's such a cute outfit. And then on the back you have one less tier, just the two at the bottom. So this one comes in a bunch of different prints and colors. I love my black and white Babydoll dress that I got from Time and True a few weeks ago, that I had to pick up another one. The way they're cut, the way they fit, they just don't look frumpy like this style usually looks on me. So I had to, like I said, get another one. I think it's so cute with, just throw a duster on, little boots, you're dressed up, gonna be perfect for the holidays. They're $18.98. I did size down one to a small. Comes in a few different prints and colors. I think this is the most like you could year-round kind of floral, but they have like more like fall type prints. The next thing I picked up is this turtleneck from Free Assembly. So the material on this and the quality is so good. That's what it looks like up close. Really nice and tightly ribbed, but soft and stretchy. Has that fitted sleeve, and then the wrist looks like that. It's also fitted through the body, and it is a nice longer length. You can wear it over your leggings, your jeggings, tuck it into a skirt, tuck it into your denim. It's gonna just have that nice like super polished look to it. And then the back is really nice and fitted, and also really nice and long. These are $14, like perfect wardrobe staple. It comes in a black as well, also a navy and burgundy stripe. I really love these. I had to just try one this time, but I definitely am tempted to go back and get the black. Like I said, I think these are so nice, such nice quality, and so good for the price. The next thing I picked up is a pair of the No Boundaries Velour ribbed leggings. So last year they had a similar style, but they were just like stripes going all the way down. Now they're the perfect dupe for free people. They're exact. From what I could see on the website. I don't think I've seen these in person. Maybe I'll look next time I go to like the mall and Macy's they usually have all the Free People stuff. So it has the pattern going all the way down the leg, and then also on the side it going in that like opposite direction. It has a nice thick waistband, super stretchy, really nice velour fabric. That's what that looks like up close. I got the black, so it's going to be harder to see, but these are so nice for the price. And then it is a super wide leg. So because of this fabric, you can really dress these up or down. You can wear them with your sweatshirt and sneakers, and then you can also pair them with your heels and a sweater like this and be ready and comfortable for the holiday. The back has that same print throughout, and just like nice and flared. These are only $9.98. They also come in olive, they come in burgundy and gold, and I got the black. But these usually sell out pretty fast. So if you like them, I would definitely pick them up soon. I kind of want one other color. Last year I got the gold. I didn't wear them as much as I like, just because I usually like to wear like my neutrals, especially like as bottoms. But I kind of want the burgundy. I don't know, I love burgundy too. So we'll see. I did get my normal size medium. They're true to size. If you think they look too small on me, then size up one. Last year I got the large and they did feel a little big, so now I'm holding these up. The medium looked like it fit, but you never know because it is that stretchier fabric and it is a little bit on the thicker end. You might want to size up. The next thing I picked up is this ribbed dress from No Boundaries. I think this one is so cute, such nice quality. That's what the material looks like up close, really nice and fitted, super stretchy. Has the scoop neckline with the gold zipper and the round pull. It's fitted through the sleeve, and then that's what the wrist looks like. And then it's fitted through the body, and they do give you a little bit of room in that hip area, and then that's what the bottom looks like. The back is the same exact print, just nice and fitted. And just like a really nice length on it, not too long, not too short. These are $16.98. It comes in 3 other prints and colors: a black and dark pink, yellow and navy blue, and then a hunter green and another color I can't think, either beige or black. But I loved this white and beige combination. I think this is gonna look so cute with like a ivory colored dusted cardigan over it, little like cognac or brown boots, or even white boots, little booties. You could do like a nude pump with this. So I just thought this was really good to have for the holidays. If I have like a last minute thing to go to, you want to be comfortable and not too dressed up. Like I said, pair it with the cardigan and little boots. So just a good sweater dress for your closet. You could really dress it up with like a fur and pumps. So for $17, I thought this one was so good. The next thing I picked up is this velour top from Time and True. So these are really nice quality, especially for the price. Has that crew neckline, like the baseball style stitching on the sleeve, and that's what the wrist looks like. The most like buttery, velvety, soft material. So comfortable. More of like an oversized fit in the body, and it is a tunic length with that little seam, and then you do have that slit because like I said, it is tunic length. The back has that little bit of stitching, and then it's just really nice and flowy. So these are $12.98. I did size down one to a small. They're definitely more of an oversized fit. They also come in red, black, navy blue. I think these are going to be so good for the holidays. They also have the matching pants that I'll show you guys next. But just throwing this on, you could do your faux leather leggings and like a knee-high black boot, and you're dressed up. Throw it on with the matching pants and your little sneakers. You have a casual outfit. Throw it on with like some really dressy jewelry, and then the pants, and you can like stay in that all day for the holiday. If you're cooking, you're hosting, you want to be comfortable, but you still want to look a little special. I think these sets are perfect for that. And then here are the matching pants. So they have an elastic waistband, a drawstring, true drawstring, pockets, and that same like buttery soft, super velvety fabric. That's what it looks like up close. They are a straight leg, so that's what the bottom looks like. Not too big, not too fitted. And then the back is just fitted throughout. These are also $12.98. I did get my normal size medium just because they didn't have smalls in store at all. And the only size medium they had was in the pink, so that's why I got the pink set. But you guys know I love pink anyway. I kind of wanted the red, just like I said, for an easy holiday outfit. If I'm having people over Christmas Day, if you don't want to get too dressed up, but I could put on like some really pretty jewelry, cute little slippers, and you know, feel special for the day. So I'll see how these fit. I haven't tried them on yet, but they do have that drawstring, so I think that's gonna help me a lot, because everywhere else it looks like it's pretty true to size, just a little bit bigger in the waist area. But how adorable is this outfit? For under $26 you get both pieces. The quality is so good. The next thing I picked up is from Secret Treasures. I showed you guys this one in the last shop with me. So it's a 3-piece set. It comes with the top, the pants, and these socks. They're like a really soft chenille, but I loved the print on this. It's so cute. Has all of the little like socks, scarves, tea kettle, little like cats, and then that's what the wrist looks like. That's what the material looks like, just like a nice super soft stretchy velour. The front has that Henley style button, and they are like true snaps, just nice and flowy in the body, like the cutest set ever. So the pants are an elastic waistband, pockets, and then the jogger style bottom, and then that's what the back looks like. So just nice and flowy, super comfortable and soft. These are $14.87 for the 3 pieces. I did get my normal size medium, and I'd say they're true to size. Comes in a bunch of different prints and colors, lots of different color combination and prints in the pajamas, and then also the socks as well. So I think these are going to be the perfect little gifts to give. You could pair them with the slippers that I showed before, those Birkenstyle like slippers that I got from Secret Treasures. I wear those everywhere, school drop off, running into stores, running my errands. So you probably see them if you watch my shop with me. If you see my feet, I'm usually wearing those because they're so comfortable, but really good gift idea. So I'm going to Disney World this week, and I showed you guys this little bag in a shop with me a while ago. I always had it on my mind, but because I lived in Florida, you know, we were 40 minutes away, I just didn't want to like make the purchase. But now I'm like a real tourist, so I had to give in and get this one. Has the Mickey ears. That's what the material looks like up close. It's kind of like a vinyl. Has the little zippered front with the Mickey and Minnie. This is like the Mickey and Minnie Railroad characters. And then they have Mickey and Minnie all along the side. And then that's what the back looks like. I mean, the quality isn't like top notch, but when you look at these bags at Disney World, they're like $80, between like $50 and $80, and really crazy prices. So, you know, my expectations are not super high, but that's what the inside looks like. Really nice and roomy. I'm going to be able to fit a lot of stuff. Feels like pretty good. Quality on the inside. Has that little top handle. These are $19.98. They also have Baby Yoda, which I was torn. If we were just doing like Hollywood Studios, I probably would have got that one. But we're doing 3 parks. Maybe we'll go to Animal Kingdom. I'm not really sure yet. But right now we're going to Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Hollywood. So I just thought this went perfectly with all of my outfits. So I'm super excited. I think these are so cute for under $20, and also a good gift idea. And then I also picked up for the trip, these were online. They're only $5, so I don't think you could beat it. They're little skirts from Avia. So it has an elastic waistband, and then this is what the fabric looks like. It's just like this mesh. I wasn't really expecting that, but I'm fine with it. And then it also has the biker shorts underneath. So I thought that was going to be really cute. I picked up some like holiday tops from Target, the kids department. I do buy some of my stuff in the kids department. And I think that's going to be like really cute. I got the Baby Yoda one from Target. It says something about presents, but it's green and black, so I'm gonna wear this one with that. And then I also picked it up in the white, same fabric, that mesh style, and I'm gonna wear this one with the mini. It's like mini with the string of lights that I got from Target from the kids department. The Baby Yoda one in the kids from Target runs like really nice and roomy. The mini is like kind of short on my arm, so just if you're gonna go look at it, I'm not gonna show it in this haul just because I don't think you guys would like it that much, but these are $5 each. You really can't beat it. They come in a bunch more colors, so even if you're gonna stock up for next year, I thought this was a pretty good price. Really nice stretchy fabric. The waistband is pretty good too. I also got 2 things for Lily. She's my 5-year-old. I know sometimes you guys don't like it, but just in case you didn't know, Walmart has really good princess dresses like this for $15. So she's gonna wear this one to Elsa, and then the other 2 outfits I told you guys about, she's gonna match me for Hollywood and Magic Kingdom. But I thought this one's really cute for Epcot because they do have the Frozen ride. It's kind of like Christmassy, and usually this first week of November, that's when they start like doing all the Christmas decor. So I just thought that one was really cute for $15. And then I also got her the Little Mermaid bathing suit from Walmart.com. These are $13 and change. If you need bathing suits for little kids, you could still find them at Walmart.com. I know it's really hard this time of year, but I thought this one was really cute. And, you know, of course, Disney themes. So that is it for today's haul. If you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.